This is the turn signal marker for my BMW F22 M235i 2015. Just trying to see exactly what it is. I'm trying to get stealth bulbs for it instead of these yolky orange things. So this PY21W 12 volt. Some forums say it's equivalent to an 1156, but the pins are different. This is a Phillips 12496NA-LL. And the pins aren't opposite each other. They are somewhat offset. So if one points straight up at 12 o'clock, the other one points at about 5 o'clock. But they are at the same depth. Single filament bulb, as a turn signal should be.